To come across this video is simply because you are looking for a way to turn on and turn off disappearing message on WhatsApp. I once again welcome you to this video. Stay tuned as we make the video to the end, because this video will teach you a step-by-step guide on how to turn off and also turn on message disappearing or disappearing message on WhatsApp. Now, when your phone is open as this one is now, quickly click on WhatsApp. When WhatsApp open just as this one is now, then you click updates. When it turns to updates this way, now click these three dots by the top right hand of your screen, and you click it, you will see settings. Click settings. When it's open this way, you are seeing here accounts, you're seeing privacy, you're seeing avatar, you're seeing chats, you're seeing notifications, you're seeing storage and data, you're seeing app language, you're seeing help, you're seeing invite a friend. Now go to privacy. Click the privacy. From privacy, now you're seeing last seen and online, you're seeing profile picture, you're seeing about, you're seeing status, and you're seeing read received, disappearing message. Now click disappearing message. When it open like this, you can see here that it is off now. If you want your message to be disappearing in 24 hours time, now you put it on 24 hours time. If you want it to be disappearing in 7 hours or 7 days time, you click 7 days time. If you want it to be disappearing in 90 days time, you click 90 days. Then if you want it to be disappearing, not to be disappearing at all, then you click off. So remember that when you click 24 hours, after 24 hours of sending any message to someone, the message will disappear. Then if you choose 7 days, after 7 days elapse, the message will also disappear. But if you put it off, you will not be seeing that disappearing message again. Now that is the simplest way of turning this mode off, and the same way of turning it on. So if you see this video helpful, quickly click that subscribe button, like this video, share it to your friends also, and let it go viral. Until next time, stay focused and motivated. Thank you for watching. God bless you.